Well, hey guys, we're going to try a new little shop light. I was able to come up with it at the store just the other day. It was on sale. Thought I'd give it a try, so let's check it out. Well, here's something new we got for the shop. It's a little 4-foot LED shop light. You also can use the little cord that's about 4 foot in length, 3 to 4 foot, and you can space them apart. Or it comes with that special connector, and you can just butt them right up against each other, and then you've got an 8-foot fixture. Well, here's the light. It comes fully pre-assembled. Your LED strips are already in there. It's got a little on and off chain there if you should need that. The mounting system that they give you, these little S hooks, and there's 2 little anchor points on both sides. I just want my chain to be absolutely as short as possible because I'm going to be hanging it right off the ceiling, and I don't want it hanging down very far. Well, this is how easy it is to hook these up. You know, a lot of electronics uses a plug, sometimes similar to this, and you just plug it in. If you were going to bridge a bunch of these together, then you would use your little adapter, push it in, then you'd have an 8-foot long fixture. Because I had so much cable and I just didn't want to just tie it up there and it'd be that big ball, I ran it over the top of the fixture, ran it between the chains. That left me just enough to plug in my plug-in. And so now let's give it a try. Well, I think that's a much brighter light. I like the color of the light. Here's a good comparison between the 2 lights. Well guys, looks like that light is going to work pretty good in the shop, and we'll see how long it lasts. It's you know, new technology, and I'm sure it has its up and down as far as the length of time it lasts, but it's supposed to outperform just regular shop type lights. So anyway, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out.